Experience high-fidelity audio performance in a compact and elegantly designed package with the Marantz Model M1 wireless streaming amplifier. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available. This powerful 2-channel amplifier brings Marantz's iconic sound quality into a modern, space-saving unit designed for audiophiles and everyday listeners alike. Whether you're upgrading your home audio setup or seeking a sleek solution for streaming music wirelessly, the Model M1 delivers clarity, warmth, and detail with every note. Built with HEOS built-in, the Marantz Model M1 integrates effortlessly into multi-room systems, allowing you to stream music across your home using popular services like Spotify, Tidal, and Amazon Music. You can control everything from your phone with the HEOS app, making it simple to manage playlists or group speakers together. With support for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Apple AirPlay 2, you can wirelessly connect your favorite devices and stream high-resolution audio up to 24-bit/192 kHz for exceptional clarity. Designed for versatility, the Model M1 features HDMI ARC, enabling easy integration with your TV for enhanced sound without extra complexity. It also includes a dedicated subwoofer output with adjustable crossover settings, giving you more control over your soundstage and bass performance. Despite its minimal footprint, this amplifier delivers substantial power and precision thanks to its Class D amplifier architecture, ensuring clean playback even at high volumes. Measuring just 9.41 by 8.54 by 3.31 inches, the M1 fits neatly on a shelf or tabletop, blending seamlessly into any room's decor. Voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant makes hands-free operation effortless, whether you're turning up the volume or skipping a track. And because it's a Marantz, the build quality and sonic detail you expect are present in every element, from the sturdy chassis to the premium internal components. Whether you're pairing it with bookshelf speakers in your living room or building a compact hi-fi system in your office, the Marantz Model M1 offers premium performance, modern streaming features, and intuitive usability in one refined package. I have provided the link to this product in the description below so that you can check the latest pricing details and offers if available.